So we are going to proceed further in that rhyme. In the previous rhyme we have done till F. We have finished from letter A to F. Now today we are going to do alphabet A to alphabet L. Understand? So you all want to do this rhymes with me? So for getting the lyrics of these rhymes इनके words के लिए refer page number 28 of your rhyme book. So you all are having a rhyme book. In your rhyme book, check page number 28. There you will get the phonic rhyme. Today we are also going to learn a rhyme. Wash, wash, wash your hands. This rhyme is on page number 5 of the same book. And the last rhyme, if you are happy. You remember we did this rhyme in our previous class. So we'll revise this rhyme once again. And the lyrics or the words of this rhyme is on page number 8 of your rhyme book. Clear? So let's begin with our first rhyme, that is phonic rhyme. Yes. So who's going to start with me? जल्दी से बताइए कौन start करने वाला है मैम के साथ? You all? Great. So let's say apple on the tree says eh. Sing with me. Apple on the tree says eh. Bat and ball says b. Remember this rhyme? Great. So let's begin. Apple on the tree says eh. Apple on the tree says eh. Bat and ball says b. Clever pussycat says k. Clever pussycat says k. Dimpy the drum says da. So Dimpy and drum, they are having the alphabet. So Dimpy the drum says da. Ellie the elephant eh. So elephant is having a long nose. Elephant की nose देखिए कितनी long होती है. So Ellie the elephant eh. Finny the fish says f. Finny the fish says f. You remember we have finished our rhyme till alphabet F. Now tell me which alphabet comes after F? G. Yes. So what we are going to say? Grumpy the goat says g. So there is a goat and her name is Grumpy. So Grumpy the goat says g. Say with me. Grumpy the goat says g. Harry the horse says h. So there is a horse and the name of the horse is Harry. Yes. So Grumpy the goat says g. Harry the horse says h. So repeat with me. First you have to understand the words, that is Grumpy. How we are going to say? Grumpy. Grumpy the goat says g. Harry the horse says h. Now after H, I. Yes. Ink in the ink pot e. So we have ink pot, and ink pot is a bottle which is full of ink, and this ink is used in ink pens, or nowadays we are having printers. Printer की जो ink होती है वो भी bottle में आती है. So what we say? Ink in the ink pot e. Yes, ink in the ink pot e. So we'll start with G. Grumpy the goat says g. Grumpy the goat says g. Harry the horse says h. Harry the horse says h. Ink in the ink pot e. Jam and jelly says j. So you all love to eat jam. Jam, jelly. So jam and the jelly says j. Jam and the jelly says j. Kelly the kangaroo says k. So you know a kangaroo पता है चलता नहीं है, वो ऐसे jump करता है, ऐसे वो jump करके आगे जाता है. And these animals are found in a different country. So what they are called? Kangaroos. So Callie the kangaroo says k. in the lamp says l, l, l. So L for lamp, and when we switch on the lamp, what comes? Light. So light in the lamp says l, l, l. So we have done till L sound, L. We'll stop here and we'll revise again from A to L. Okay? Apple on the tree says eh, eh, eh. Bat and ball says b, b, b. Clever pussycat says k, k, k. Drumpy the drum says d, d, d. Then comes Ellie the elephant, eh, eh, eh. Finny the fish says f, f, f. Finny the fish says f, f, f. Grumpy the goat says g, g, g. Grumpy the goat says g, g, g. Harry the horse says h, h, h. Harry the horse says h, h, h. Ink in the ink pot, e, e, e. Ink in the ink pot, e, e, e. Jam and jelly says j, j, j. Jam and jelly says j, j, j. Callie the kangaroo says k, k, k. So Callie the kangaroo says k, k, k. Lamp and the light says l, l, l. Lamp and the light says l, l, l. Understood all? So just revise this rhyme and you'll get it on page number 28 of your book. Clear? Now, moving to the next rhyme. So what is our next rhyme? Wash, wash, wash your hands. So we all know that while maintaining a good habit, while maintaining a good hygiene, we should always wash our hands. We should never have dirty hands either before having food or after having food. We should always keep on washing our hands. And nowadays, तो मामा बोलती हैं बार बार हैंड वॉश करो, सोप से अच्छे से रब करके वॉश करो, है ना? So why? बताइए जल्दी से why? Because there are lot of germs on our hands और हमें क्या करना होता है? उन सबको भगाना होता है. Why? So that these germs don't enter our body. अब हैंड में germs हैं, बॉडी में कैसे आएंगे? How they will enter in our body? हैंड से हम खाना खाते हैं. Then we drink water also. We use our hands, na? So we should always keep washing our hands and keep them neat and tidy, ताकि जो भी germs हैं वो हमारे stomach में ना जाएं. And similarly, while eating fruits, vegetables, we should always wash them. Okay? So shall we begin with our rhyme? Okay, great. Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. अब हम wash कैसे करते हैं अपने hands को? First we wet them, then we apply soap. हम soap से apply करते हैं. Then we rub it. और फिर उसको अच्छे से rub करने के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? We wash them again in water. तो जो भी soap होती है वो हट जाती है, वो resin out हो जाती है. Okay, so let's begin with our rhyme. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. यानी कि soap और पानी से. Okay? Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. Rinse the fruits and vegetables. Now resin means clean करना पानी से. पानी में हमें क्या clean करना है? Fruits and vegetables. क्या clean करना है? Fruits and vegetables. And make them clean for you. और उनको clean करना है अपने खाने के लिए. Okay? So how we are going to sing? Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. Resin your fruits and vegetables. Yes? Resin your fruits and vegetables and make them clean for you. उनको अपने लिए clean करना है. So this is a very small rhyme only with 4 lines. So let's revise once again. Wash, wash, wash your hands with soap and water too. Resin your fruits and vegetables and make them clean for you. And make them clean for you. Understood? Now the words of this rhyme is on page number 5 of your book. Now, a rhyme which we have done in our previous If you are happy and you know it, तो क्या करते हैं? अब मम्मा ने चॉकलेट दी है तो हम बहुत हैप्पी हो जाते हैं ना, and we sing a song. So now today we are going to sing a rhyme when we are happy and you know it. Okay? So let's begin. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you are happy and you know it, nod your head. When you are happy and you know it, nod your head. When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, nod your head. When you are happy and you know it, roll your hands. When you are happy and you know it, roll your hands. When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, roll your hands. When you are happy and you know it, shout hooray! When you are happy and you know it, shout hooray! When you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, when you are happy and you know it, shout hooray! Yes! जब हम win करते हैं और मैम बोलती है वाओ आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, तो क्या होता है? Hooray! Yes, we have done a very good work. We have done a great job. Very good, है ना? हम ऐसे खुश हो जाते हैं and we jump out of confidence. हम jump करते हैं बहुत खुशी से and we say hooray! Isn't it? So you all shout once hooray! Very good. So the same rhyme on page number 8. So refer those words, those lyrics and sing your rhyme.